How to create a subtask in Wrike. Hello friend, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a subtask in Wrike. Alright, so here is how to go about it. Now, the first step or the first thing to do is to log in into your Wrike account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you're brought to the home page automatically. So once you're on this page, you can see your inbox and all. And the next step is navigate through to the folder or project whose tax you would want to turn to a soft tax. For me, I'll be working with personal budget, personal workspace, sorry. So after selecting personal workspace, I will take into the workspace page, and then you can see all of the tax and the soft tax etc under it. So the next step of creating a soft tax is to select the tax I would like to create a soft tax for. So after selecting the tax, you can see by the right side we brought to the tax view. So once you can see this tax view, the next step is to scroll down to the lower part of the screen where you can see add sub item, file, add approval. So sub item is the same as sub tax. So just click on that. After clicking on sub items, you'll be asked to enter in the name of the item. So for example, cotton, and then click on create, just enter it, and then just like that, it will be a sub item. Just like that, and then you can set due date for it and all of that. So this is how it works. This is how you can create subtax in a side tax. Thanks for watching and have a good day.